So we got the final ending for, I was about to say Bleach, for Chainsaw Man. Let's see if they about to go on the bang or not. It is about made by Eve, or how you pronounce it, Ev. Be pretty crazy so far. Hey, is this the one that sung Chainsaw Man? Not Chainsaw Man, Jujutsu Kaisen. I think it was opening 1 or 2. I can't see which one. Oh, okay. Yeah, he sounds so familiar. You guys let me know down below. Okay, I see with the visuals, they just using anime scenes. See, his focus is straight up on Aki, Power, and Denji. It's a good vibe song. Yeah, yeah. Focusing on their bond. Crazy how far they came since like episode 2 or 3, I believe. Yeah. So kind of slap. Okay, I see this is a good way to end off the anime. I thought it was gonna end like in a dark way. Give that one an 8.5 out of 10.